What's up guys, thank you. So Vivo India has sent out media invites to confirm that it will be unleashing something new on February 20. Previously leaks have claimed that the Vivo India may launch the Vivo V15 Pro by the end of the February. Hence it appears that the company is all set to debut the Vivo V15 series, which includes the Vivo V15 and Vivo V15 Pro handsets in India on February 20. Vivo India has recently discontinued the Snapdragon 5045 powered Vivo next flagship phone that came with a pop-up selfie camera. The probable reason behind it is that the company is soon going to launch the comparatively cheaper Vivo V15 series with pop-up selfie camera. The media invite shown below clearly shows that the phone launching on February 20 has a pop-up front camera. The inclusion of the pop-up front camera on the Vivo V15 series suggests that the Vivo V15 and Vivo V15 Pro smartphones will be arriving with notch-less AMOLED screens. Previous reports have claimed that both smartphones will be equipped with in-display fingerprint scanners. The Vivo V15 Pro is rumored to rise as the first V-series phone from the company with triple-rear cameras. It is speculated to include 32-megapixel lenses as the primary sensor. The Vivo 15 is also expected to feature the same camera lens on its rear. However, there is no confirmation on whether it will be featuring a dual camera setup or triple camera setup.